Hi, welcome to NCERT CBSE Class 6 History Chapter 4 in the earliest cities. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section A Closer Look Harappan Towns in Gujarat, Lothal. First question. The city of Lothal stood beside a tributary of the dash. The options are Narmada, Ganga, Indus, Sabarmati. Your time to choose. And the answer is Sabarmati. So, the city of Lothal stood beside a tributary of the Sabarmati. Next question. The city of Dash stood beside a tributary of the Sabarmati. The options are Khadirbet, Dholavira, Lothal, Surkotada. Your time to choose. And the answer is Lothal. So, the city of Lothal stood beside a tributary of the Sabarmati. Question 3. The city of Lothal stood beside a tributary of the Sabarmati in Dash. The options are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana. Your time to choose. And the answer is Gujarat. So, the city of Lothal stood beside a tributary of the Sabarmati in Gujarat. Next question. The city of Lothal stood beside a tributary of the Sabarmati close to Dash. The options are the Rann of Kutch, the Gulf of Gujarat, the Gulf of Khambat, the Indus Delta. Your time to choose. And the answer is the Gulf of Khambat. So, the city of Lothal stood beside a tributary of the Sabarmati close to the Gulf of Khambat. Next question. Lothal was situated near areas where dash were easily available. The options are fresh water, fertile soil, raw materials, underground water. Your time to choose. And the answer is raw materials. Lothal was situated near areas where raw materials were easily available. Next question 6. Lothal was situated near areas where raw materials such as dash were easily available. The options are semi-precious stones, wood, metal, cotton. Your time to choose. And the answer is semi-precious stones. So, Lothal was situated near areas where raw materials such as semi-precious stones were easily available. Next question. Lothal was an important center for making objects out of dash. The options are stone, stone and shell, stone, shell and metal, none of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is stone, shell and metal. So, Lothal was an important center for making objects out of stone, shell and metal. Next question. There was also dash in Lothal. The options are a gateway, a storehouse, a fire altar, a large open area. Your time to choose. A storehouse. So, there was also a storehouse in Lothal. Next question. Many dash were found in the storehouse. The options are coins, toys, pots, seals and ceilings. Your time to choose. And the answer is seals and ceilings. So, many seals and ceilings were found in this storehouse. Question 10. Ceilings are dash. The options are a gum, a sealant, coins, the impression of seals on clay. Your time to choose. And the answer is the impression of seals on clay. So, ceilings are the impression of seals on clay. Next question 11. A building that was found here was probably dash. The options are a great tank, a workshop, a place of worship, storeroom. Your time to choose. And the answer is a workshop. So, a building that was found here was probably a workshop. Next question. The workshop was probably for making dash. The options are coins, beads, toys, all of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is beads. The workshop was probably for making beads. Next question. Dash have been found at the workshop. The options are half-made beads and finished beads, pieces of stone, tools for bead making, all of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of the above. So, half-made beads and finished beads, pieces of stone and tools for bead making have been found at the workshop. Question 14. A huge tank at Lothal may have been dash. The options are a great bath, a dockyard, used for special ceremonies, a drinking water reservoir. Your time to choose. And the answer is a dockyard. So, a huge tank at Lothal may have been a dockyard. Last question. Dockyard may have been used for dash. The options are loading and unloading goods, boats and ships which came in from the sea, boats and ships which came in through the river channel, all of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of the above. So, the dockyard may have been used for loading and unloading goods, for boats and ships which came in from the sea, for boats and ships which came in through the river channel. Okay, so in this video, we learned every point in the section A Closer Look, Harappan Towns in Gujarat, Lothal. In the next video, we will see every point in the next section, seals and ceilings. I'll see you there.